Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how a plumber resolves water system issues. Firstly, do you know how to maybe fix a cracked corrugated plastic pipe? Well, instead of spending money on a new one, I'm going to cut off the damaged section and replace it with a short length of plastic pipe. I'm sure you're wondering how to connect them when they don't even have the same shape, right? So let's see how retired plumbers have taught me to do it. And there you have it, the water pipes have been securely reconnected. Now we can rest assured that there won't be any more leakage. Next, let's talk about a common situation we often encounter, which is dealing with tangled electrical cords or long cables. Is it possible that even when you roll them up carefully, they still end up tangled when you take them out? Let me show you how to roll up long electrical cords without them getting tangled. Please pay close attention to how I position my right arm. I'm going to try to do it slowly so that you can see it clearly. By doing it this way, when we take them out, they won't be tangled anymore, right? So, have you figured out how to do it? Next, I'm going to show you how to coil short electrical wires that are directly connected to your handheld devices so they won't come loose. That's it. It's quite simple, isn't it? Now, how can we connect two PVC pipes of the same size together? In this case, we're going to need a few tools, such as a plastic cutter and a heat gun. Let's see how I'm going to do it. Well done. That wasn't so hard, was it? Indeed, connecting two PVC pipes of different sizes is much simpler. You simply need to heat one end of each pipe to make them expand and then connect them together. That's pretty much it. Next, I will share a handy trick that I learned from retired plumbers, which is how to replace a PPRC pipe valve without shutting off the water supply. The secret is cutting a small diamond-shaped piece of foam that can effectively block the pipe. Moreover, we need a long screw, one end of which we will wrap a bit of black tape around so that it fits snugly with the end of the plastic tube. Now let's proceed with the repair. Cut off this broken nozzle, then insert a piece of foam to block the water. Replace it with a regular nozzle and take the screw we prepared. Poke it through and pull the foam piece, turn on the nozzle, and the foam will automatically shoot out. Now I'm going to drill one side of the water pipe so that you can visualize it more clearly. Did you see? It's very simple and quick, isn't it? The grass trimmer is indeed a great invention for farms. However, sometimes we can improve it slightly to make a task of cutting grass even easier, such as ensuring that the grass doesn't get tangled in the trimmer while cutting. I'm going to use some plastic tubes to create something like a rake and then attach it to the grass trimmer. Hopefully it will work and prevent the grass from getting tangled. If you're passionate about DIY, I recommend considering purchasing a heat welding machine. It's pretty convenient and can save a lot of time for us. It seems like we need to do a lot of steps, so let's imagine that we're playing with blocks like we did when we were younger. It can be quite enjoyable actually. So now, let's start playing. Great, and we're done. Now let's install it onto the grass trimmer and see if it works. fantastic. The grass is no longer getting tangled in the trimmer. The last one. So I'd be happy to tell you how to quickly and securely connect the PPRC pipes with flexible hoses. Here we need a slightly thicker white plastic pipe segment. Then follow the instructions I previously provided. Heat one end of each pipe and connect them together. In less than 2 minutes, we're pretty much done. So now I'm going to cut it out to show you exactly how tightly they are connected together. Did you see that? They're perfectly fused together, forming a seamless connection. I'm Tips Unknown, the one striving to discover new improvements for the devices in your home. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow my channel to learn more exciting tips. Thanks as always.